Hi, my name is Garima Srivastav. I'm an artist and illustrator based in Amsterdam. And some of you also know me as mylittlebasil.studio on Instagram, where I share my art journey through art posts, short video tutorials, and paint-along sessions. Simply put, I love creating art and sharing my process with anybody who wants to learn. Welcome to my Skillshare channel. Throughout my art career, I've painted with many art mediums, but I simply love watercolors the most. It's not just a popular medium for me, but the most therapeutic one of them all. So if you're looking for a hobby to relax or just want to get started with watercolors, I would say don't think twice. And if you like the look of loosely painted watercolor botanicals, then you're at the right place because painting them comes second nature to me. And I love sharing my process with anybody who finds loose watercolors even a bit intimidating. So let's get your watercolor loose floral journey started with this class. I've created this real-time class keeping all skill levels in mind. If you're a beginner with watercolor, I'll teach you the simple supplies you will need to get started. I'll walk you through simple watercolor concepts. We'll practice lots of brush strokes while we paint a huge variety of flowers and leaves. You will learn how to mix your own colors to create interesting foliage and how to put together your own simple floral arrangements. But if you're already experienced with watercolors, you would still enjoy this class as I share my process along with composition tips to paint both simple and complex arrangements in loose watercolor style. I've divided this class into smaller lessons so that you can follow them at your own pace. And there are plenty of project options to choose from. As the project for this class, you can decide to paint one of the many floral arrangements we'll be painting in this class, or a floral spread like this. I hope I've got you excited about this class. So let's get started.